Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is going to be a unboxing video from Fragrance Buy. Also, a review of a Mancera fragrance, Instant Crush, as you see with the thumbnail. So here I'm just gonna basically do an unboxing. This is my first unboxing video, by the way. So if you guys would prefer me to do more of those, please just comment. Let me know if that's something you would rather me do, or at least have me do more of. I'd gladly do it. I figured I wanted to do a quick review for the Fragrance Buy because I know this is not, for most of the people in the US, this is not a local purchase, and you know it's coming out. You basically got to go through customs and everything for it to go through, and people have to sometimes pay different shipping. So I figure I'll give you guys an unboxing so you'll know if it's worth it or not, and make your own choice based off of that. Personally, as you can see with the box, they have one of the nicest packaging just in general for shipping and everything. I love the way that box comes. You know, right away when you get your package, you know, it already excites you. You feel like you already have your money well spent. So I have no complaints so far. I bought a few fragrances from them already. And I ain't gonna lie, I was a little judgmental at first because I was a little nervous. Not because I heard anything, but I ain't gonna lie, I only had great experiences with them, so I would highly recommend them. This is basically just a box from the Mancera. Pretty simple. You see the labels. You know, it's pretty much what it is. Big shiny box. You see the Mancera Instant Crush, barcodes, stuff like that. And it's basically just get this bad boy open and get right to it. As most of you guys know who buy Manceras and Montals, basically the same company. They always come with these little pouch, that little bag. So it's kind of like a signature for them. It's pretty cool though. You know what I mean? It's different. It's pretty cool. And you go inside, and then we have the bottle. I ain't gonna lie, this is a beautiful bottle. It has a little bit of like that translucent. You can see like right through the bottom of it. It's pretty clear. And then it kind of fades into a solid gold on the top. It's pretty cool, all the way to the cap. You see the barcodes on the bottom, the labels, information. It's pretty nice though, I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty nice. Screw cap, all the Manceras have that screw cap. Atomizer. It's good as always. So, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty much what it is. You can see it. It's a pretty bottle. And like I said, y'all, if y'all want me to do more unboxing videos, y'all can see the experience, please let me know. Just put it in the comment. I will gladly do it. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Again, this is from FragranceBuy.ca. If you look at the top right, you'll see where it says USD. That'll normally say CAD for Canada price. When you go to the website, hit USD, it's going to show you all the US prices. When it's in your cart and you go to pay, it's going to have the Canada price. It's going to change again, but don't worry. Your total will come to exactly the amount they showed you. So here, just to look at, you can see the notes. I'm not going to go through them too much. Just basically the fruits, ginger. You can see jasmine, oak moss, got some wood, obvious vanilla. You know, you guys could look that up, just kind of letting you see it. See, it's 120, so basically a 4-ounce bottle. It retails for 180. They kind of give you a little thing on here where they tell you basically this is supposed to be a irresistible, you know, fragrance, instant crush. So you guys could look that up. So let's get right into the scent. I get a very fruit, slight wood, vanilla type of scent, but very powdery and soft, almost like a aromatic cotton candy. Very sweet, like sugary, like real sugar. Like if you had a vanilla with a lot of sugar, that's what it smells like to me. And it does have a slight resemblance of cologne too, which kind of tells me that whatever it is that they're saying that it smells like Baccarat Rouge 540, which I never scent, I can already have an idea of what it may smell like because of the similarities that's in there with the sweetness. So I get it. But other than that, man, I would say definitely would not blind buy this, but check it out before you buy it. Because of the sweetness, I think not everybody may like it, but it is a good fragrance if you just collect it, man. Instant Crush, that's my review. If y'all like this, please like, comment, subscribe.